I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg without sticking. First, selecting the right pan is crucial for success. A good non-stick pan or a properly seasoned cast iron skillet will make all the difference. Always start with a clean pan, free from any previous cooking remnants. Then, gently preheat your pan over a medium-low flame for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. This ensures even heat distribution and helps prevent sticking from the very beginning. Next, the type and amount of fat you use are key. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter, olive oil, or your preferred cooking oil to the warm pan. Swirl it around to ensure the entire bottom surface is lightly coated. This creates a barrier between the egg and the pan. It's vital to keep your heat setting at a consistent medium-low. Too high, and the egg will stick and burn. Too low, and it won't cook properly. Now it's time for the star of the show. Carefully crack your egg directly into the center of the prepared pan. Avoid moving it around immediately. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice the egg whites begin to set and turn opaque, and the edges will start to firm up. This patient approach allows the egg to cook gently and release naturally from the pan. Finally, the moment of truth, releasing your perfectly cooked egg. Use a thin, flexible spatula and gently slide it underneath the egg. If the pan was properly prepared and the heat was right, the egg should release effortlessly, without any sticking or tearing. Transfer it to your plate immediately. You've successfully cooked a delicious egg that slides right off the pan, ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.